So this outdoor worm bin of mine has eaten birds, um, really big rabbits, moles. I think that's about it. So I'll show you my process. And sorry if this makes some people sad. I know, I don't like it either. But it's the circle of life. So this is the outdoor worm bin. You can see we put watermelon, and he's gonna go right in the middle. There he is. So what I'll do now is, I have this stick I keep here. And what I'm gonna do is, I just make like a little opening and put him in there. Give him a proper funeral. There you go. So now when I have a lot of produce in there, since this outdoor worm bin is like a lasagna style, I take some rotted straw that I have here, and I carefully look through it though, because I've seen like spiders in here. And I'll just take some and I throw it on top of it, and it's like a lasagna process. So when I come out to leave my compost again, I'll put it on top of that, and then I'll put more straw. This pile of rotten straw, I bet you if I dig in there, I'm gonna find one of those Alabama jumper worms. They love this stuff. So there we go. Rest in peace. Let me give you a little tour while we're here so you can see what's going on. It's time to put this garden to bed. My carrots are doing great. All of a sudden the sweet potato decided to like start doing something. It rained today a lot, so everything is soaking. It's time to get the calendulas out of here, and these are the beets that I have for the winter here, but you could tell something was digging in there. So you know when you neglect something, it just turns out amazing. Well, I've done that to this volunteer tomato plant. I just forgot about it. I just left it there. I didn't pay any attention to it. It fell over, but it's still giving tomato. And it's a giant. Look at this thing. Look at this. I haven't touched it because I'm afraid that if I lift it, it's gonna uproot it, and I don't want that to happen. So tomorrow I'll be picking more tomatoes. I can't eat enough of them. Look, the carrots are doing great. The beets here are ready to come out and be eaten. There they are. These are golden beets. Now look at my mammoth beet. This thing is huge. Look, just so you can see the size. Thing is huge. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave it. I just want to see how much bigger I can get it to grow. Tomatoes have fallen over, but when they do, I just leave them because they just naturally keep growing like that, and tomatoes are really beautiful. Tomorrow I'm gonna come out here and pick them. Okay, so look at my pumpkin. Another thing that I just decided to ignore because it wasn't really doing anything. It's here now. It's come out from under there. This one is over here, and they go down all the way there. Look. And this pumpkin plant, like, it did nothing all summer. Now all of a sudden it decides to grow huge, and I'm probably not gonna get a pumpkin out of it because it's so big, and honestly I don't see anything happening. But look, it's ready to go out there. The fact that it's grown so big, it just amazes me. Let's make it go this way because I don't want it to go back there. The trolls might eat it. Look, I got tomatoes here that need to come in. Uh-oh, something got this one. I hate that. Look, but who cares? I guess they gotta eat too, right? Look, there's another one down there with a big hole in it. I think tomorrow I'm gonna come out here and just get them all. Look at the giant green tomatoes. They are beautiful. Look at that one. Nice size. This one's really big. So anyway, those will probably make really good fried green tomatoes. The flowers here have gone crazy. So yeah, it is autumn and it's time to put this garden to bed. These are those weird tomatoes, Takula. They're shaped weird, but they honestly didn't grow like I was expecting them to. We just got weeds in here, we gotta pull. It's just been raining here and the mosquitoes are awful. They're like really, even during the day they're coming out. So you can't even like be out here very long because they're gonna get you. Look how black my soil is. Look at the soil. The soil is absolutely beautiful. Look, more weeds. So, do you want me to show you the latest weird thing I found in here? Now, if you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a while, or have followed me for a while, I mean, I've been on YouTube for years, you'll know that every once in a while, I just find the strangest stuff. Let me see if I could find it.